Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 73, Days. So here's another one of my puzzles which enables you to think laterally, so you need your lateral thinking skills. I hope you enjoy this one. Let's have a look. Why are Saturday and Sunday stronger than the other 5 days? A clue will be given on the next slide. As always, I'll leave this slide on for about 2 minutes to give you a chance to answer it, and I'll give you a clue on the next slide. So try and answer it, because it's very satisfying if you get the puzzle out. Okay, now here's the clue. You may not need it, but just in case you need it, here we go. So the question was, why are Saturday and Sunday stronger than the other 5 days? And here's the clue. Think of another way to describe the other 5 days. The answer is on the next slide. I'll go to that slide in 1 minute, but if you haven't solved it, I think this clue will help you. Okay, I wonder if you got this out. Let's have a look at the answer. The answer, the other 5 days are weekdays. They are weekdays. So as well as being weekdays, weekdays. I hope you enjoyed that puzzle. That was a little bit interesting. I think most of the puzzles are interesting, and I appreciate you trying to solve them. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, You can do so on the next slide.